Stand in your reign. Stand in the pain that you're going through. It's a reason for the rain in your life, to give you what you need, to water your seeds of the pain you're going through. It is the rain that grows us through the pain. Without pain in your life, you won't see your light. You won't grow through that dark moments and get to your light. It is the pain that grows us through the darkness to get to our light. It is the rain that teaches us lessons to be patient and to know that rain is for a reason, to grow our seeds, to grow our needs, so we can see the light. And after that rain is the sunlight. Everything's always evolving. Everything in life is a cycle. So without the bad, you want to see the good. So you have to be one with each other. You have to be one with everything and be patient and grounded through every cycle in life. Because life is all about evolution. It's not all about being in one place. So you must open up and evolve with the rain, evolve with the pain, evolve with the gain, evolve with the loss, everything that comes with it. Because if you can take a loss, in the future you'll be a boss. But you have to take a loss first for you to be a boss. You have to learn a lesson from your losses before you can gain. You have to learn those lessons, your pain, before you can gain, if that makes sense. Enjoy the lessons in the pain. Enjoy the lessons in the rain and be thankful for them, because through those lessons, those moments, we get what we need. We get what we need so we can grow through it and see our light from that and get to the light, get our energy and move to the sun on the other side of that pain. But we must first grow through the pain so we can gain that sunlight, gain that energy from the source. But he's going to test you first through that rain. He's going to test you first through that pain to gain that sunlight and that light on the other side. So stand in the rain, stand in the pain, and be patient through it. Because when you do that, on the other side of that is gain. On the other side of that is gain of the things that you ask for, to blossom into your light, to blossom into the things that you ask for. But you must first stay patient in that rain. You must first stand in that rain, stand in that pain, and grow for those positions. And when you do that, more life and abundance towards you. But everyone know my saying: love, peace, and abundance your way.